Why are YouTube InStream ads the best for conversions? This is a big thing that people ask me. They know that there's different types of YouTube ads. You have the YouTube Discovery or in-display ads. Of course, you have the YouTube InStream or TrueView ads, used to be known as TrueView. These YouTube InStream ads we have found are the absolute best for direct response YouTube conversions. We're gonna be diving into exactly why that is, but also how each individual type of YouTube advertising has its own place. Let's take a look. So the next question that we have here is from Kevin. He asks, are the YouTube InStream ads the best YouTube product to use? So yes, YouTube InStream ads for conversions is going to be the best. And so those of you who might not know, YouTube InStream ads are the YouTube ads that appear directly in front of other videos. Those are the ones you can skip. And if you skip those before 30 seconds, between 5 seconds when you can skip them and 29 seconds, you don't actually pay. Right? And so you're only paying for the people that are genuinely interested. And then from there, you can obviously get people to go off, they take action. So you can set it up as a cost per view, so you're bidding per view. You can set up as maximize conversions, which is similar to Facebook, where most people run on Facebook, which is basically you have a certain set budget and then get as many conversions as possible. But what I like to do is run TCPA, target cost per action campaigns, where we're actually bidding how much we want to pay or the maximum we want to pay per conversion. And that's how we can really dial these in and make sure that the results are going to be, as dialed in as possible. And so YouTube InStream ads, TCPA, target cost per action, that is our absolute favorite for conversions. But when it comes to retargeting and running campaigns to people that have already seen the webinar, we love running YouTube Discovery ads. So the YouTube Discovery ads are ads that appear in search results, ads that appear alongside other videos where you click on them and you actually get to the YouTube watch page. Now, these are really valuable for brand building, getting people to subscribe to your channel, watching your content. You'll have a longer watch time. It feels more natural, like people stumbled upon the videos, but it has less optimization for direct conversions. So for direct response YouTube marketing, where you're actually looking for conversions right now, it's those in-stream ads optimized for conversions. Typically the TCPA, you can do max conversions if needed. Running those is what's going to be performing the best. I hope you found this video valuable and you learned how you can get more leads and sales for your business using YouTube video ads. If you want to see exactly how this works and build this out for your own business, you can go to adoutreach.com/webinar to watch a complete webinar that we have on how you can use YouTube ads in your business. The link will be right down there in the description. We also have a version specifically for coaches, consultants, and course creators, adoutreach.com/new-webinar. Now, in addition to that, if you want to see results, testimonials, case studies, see what's possible with YouTube ads, we've helped our clients generate multiple 8 figures in sales using YouTube video ads. We work with hundreds and hundreds of different clients. You've probably seen many of their ads on YouTube already. If you want to see some of those results, testimonials, and case studies, go to adoutreach.com/results. The link is down there below as well. And if you guys are ready to book a call with our team to map out the strategy for YouTube ads for your own business, go to adoutreach.com/apply and schedule a strategy call with our team. That's where we're going to be diving in and mapping out exactly what YouTube ads can look like in your business. And if that's a good fit for you, we'll outline what that strategy looks like. Also, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel right here. We're posting consistently with the latest content on YouTube ads and online marketing. And also be sure to check out our Facebook group and join our email list down below as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.